Hello, my beautiful people. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing my evening walk and I had this thought. So, a lot of people, some people have been telling me the reason why they can't garden because they don't have the money to garden. Look at the sun, it's shining through pickleball. So they don't have the money to garden. So this is the thing. I have shared some videos with you guys. I'm starting to get hot. When I first started gardening, my yard, it was grass, it was clay, it was sand. And honestly, I didn't even have the money to put fertilizer, to put dirt and all that. So I kept it simple. I moved the grass. When I moved the grass, I started using compost. So stuff from my kitchen, I started putting it on my soil to kind of help with fertilizer because I didn't have money. And then my first fertilizer I started using, which lasted me a long time, was chicken manure. So you buy the big bag from Amazon, it lasts you a long time. I started using it and it really stretched and helped me. So the thing is, when you go to the store right now, when you look at the groceries, the prices for the groceries keep going up higher and higher. So a few years ago, butternut squash, I bought a butternut squash from the store, I think about 3 years now ago. I bought butternut squash from the store and I took the seeds, I planted it. I harvested so much butternut squash that year. So then I started doing it every year. So this is my 3rd year. I've been using that one seed from butternut squash that I purchased. So when I'm saying keep it simple, you can do it, you can save a lot of money. Like when you buy tomatoes from the store, take the seeds out. I do that all the time to grow different types of tomatoes. Take the seeds out. Take the seeds out from the tomatoes. Take the seeds out from the bell peppers. Take the seeds out from the hot peppers and plant them. So even if you don't have money, buy one red pepper, bell pepper, one orange, one green. Take the seeds out, put it on paper towel, let it dry, and store it. And when it's time to plant it, you plant it. So for me, those are different ways that I have been able to save money when it comes to gardening. You don't need the fancy stuff. I'm going to show you guys, I go to the dollar store, buy the dollar store bucket, put the hole underneath the bucket, put dirt, and plant my food. Most of the potatoes that you see me harvest, I grow them in buckets. I grow them in bags. I grow them in dollar store buckets. I grow collard greens in buckets from the dollar store. So you can really save a lot of money by keeping it simple. You don't have to spend so much money to buy all these different things to get started. It would really, really help you and your family a lot. I was looking in my cabinet before I came to walk, and I was looking like, man, I don't have to buy seasoning. I have spices for the rest of the year up to next year until I grow more food. I have peppers, I have onions powder, I have ginger powder, I have turmeric powder, I have all these small things. I have thyme, I have rosemary, I have oregano. All these things can save you money at the grocery store. And they are very easy to grow. So all you need, just get started. Get started. Now is the time for you to start prepping because the growing season is going to start coming soon. So look behind me how beautiful it is. So like the potatoes that I even grow every year, I get the potatoes from the store. I read somewhere before on somebody's blog that the potatoes from the store don't grow. That's not true. Because the potatoes that I grow, I always get it from the store. When you buy a potato, all you do is you put it somewhere. You guys know how it is. Sometimes when you buy bags of potato, when you look at it, you see that those sprouts coming out, use the sprouts. That's how easy. So that's how easy it is. The potato from the store, when you buy the potato, you keep few potatoes and you plant them. So it would be, you can be able to save a lot of money just by using things that you usually eat from the store. You just go ahead and regrow them. Onions, garlic. I just planted garlic. You buy the garlic from the store, you take a few garlic cloves and you plant it. That's how you save money. So you can grow food very easily. You can grow some things and you can save a lot of money for you and your family. Like right now, winter is coming. Today they're calling for snow and rain later on today. I don't even have to buy any vegetables right now Like I have greens in the freezer. It is not as much because we lost a lot of greens and stuff when we had that flood. But you can still, but I still have enough food to last us. I have squash in the freezer. I have a lot of tomatoes. I have a lot of peppers and those type of things. Just wanted to give you guys that little bit of encouragement. You can grow your own food. Just get started. Little bit at a time. Keep adding to it. And next thing you know, you have a big vegetable fruit garden. So this is the best time to start prepping. Let's prep. Get ready for next growing season. If I can do it, you can do it. Check out, it's not even the sun. See, it's down. It's it's really cloudy today because it's about to snow. So, but I just wanted to encourage you guys that you can do it. Don't give up. Don't be scared. One step at a time. I will show you guys the videos from early on. My kids were very little. Listen, I was a homeschool. I'm still a homeschooling mom. Didn't have money to get started, but I started anyway. I started. Everybody who have been following me on Instagram, Facebook, I didn't start doing YouTube early enough, but those who've been following me, seen the journey. Like my yard was grass, okay, it was clay. If I can do it, you can do it. So anyway, have a good evening. It is freezing out here. I put my hands in my pocket. I didn't bring gloves, but I just wanted to encourage you who want to start gardening. You can do it, okay? Don't be scared. We got this.